ആദ്യമായി ബഹുമാനായ ഉത്തർപ്രദേശ് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഒരു സന്ദേശമാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ എനിക്ക് അവതരിപ്പിക്കാം. Dear Sri V.N. Vasavanji, I am thankful for the invitation of attending Agola Ayyappa Sangamam on 20th September 2025 at Pamba in commemoration of the Platinum Jubilee of the Travancore Devasam Board. Lord Ayyappa is the divine protector of Dharma. His worship illuminates the path of righteous living and inspires the devotees of promote and preserve sattvic values. For strengthening harmony, inclusivity and unity, it is necessary to spread ancient Indian wisdom and traditions. In this perspective, Agola Ayyappa Sangamam assumes much significance. Hope that this conclave would be successful in achieving its objectives. With regards, Yogi Adityanath.